This is a love reading for you, Libra, for November to December. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards for the heart shaped spread for you and your love interest. So, please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Libra, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. At the end of the video, I have also attached is a small reel of all the services that are available in my tarot shop, whether it is a tarot reading, new year reading, psychic reading, runestone reading, whether it is a healing. You can have a look at it. Also in the description box I have given is the links, so you can click on the link and get a detailed guidance about that particular reading. Also I've attached is the link to the November newsletter, and you want to read that as well. So let us see how's the reading. Who are you, Libra, in the relationship? Who is your partner? What is the strength and challenges you bring? Your partner brings. How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? Likewise, your partner has about you. What is the past the two of you are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for this relationship? So, first of all, I'm saying is Libra, you are someone very sensitive and emotional, and you see things as they are, or you understand them as very rightly as it happens. It's not like you are trying to push an agenda through, or you're trying to push the way you want things to be done. You are very into or in the present moment in the relationship, and you will like to deal with things as and how they show up. And your way of dealing is you are very sensitive, and you try to make concessions emotionally or to the emotional hurt or any such thing. You're also very warm. You may be somebody, Libra, who doesn't let your partner get angry or upset about anything at all. You always try to keep the relationship very warm and loving, and every day you seem to be working for it. About your partner, I'm saying is he or she is a very smooth talker, and their situation may not be as well or as he or she may be pretending. Maybe the job situation is very trying for your partner, or maybe family situation is, but he or she does not seem to tell you everything. There is a energy of someone who just talks their way through, but situation is fairly bad. Also, if you see, you both are more or less tuned into each other, so but both your hands are occupied. Libra, your hands are occupied, both the hands are occupied. Your partners, both the hands are occupied as well. And if you see, this person is almost running, and here your feet is also in the water. So first of all, you both are very busy because your both the hands are occupied, and you both are very busy people, or you have a lot to do. And but the beauty is you both are looking at each other, so there is a lot of compatibility, agreement, and there is a lot of maturity in this union or relationship. You both have discussed lot of things together, or you both have discussed smallest of things together in the relationship. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring, Libra, and what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? First of all, you both are very heavily blessed, and I'm saying is you are not just somebody who's very sensitive and very warm and loving. You're also someone who's very successful financially, and you can guide people into financial freedom, or having a money mind. There is just this very beautiful guidance that I'm seeing. Some of you may be working for a very big corporate organization or very big MNC, because I'm seeing that you're getting paid very well or very handsomely. Also, some of you, Libra, want to have a family or want to get started with the marriage, or if you're already married, you want children. So you are keeping a very warm and loving energy in the relationship, because you want things to progress into the next level. What is the strength and challenges your partner is bringing. He or she is, as I said, is coming from a difficult situation, is already is in a difficult situation, was in a even worse situation before. And I'm seeing is that he or she has had some kind of help being sent their way. And also your partner thinks that Libra, being with you is a divine connection. He or she is very grateful that they met you, because I'm seeing is a very big energy of thanking the divine or gods, higher gods, for this connection or for the good life that they are living right now. So, how do you see your partner, Libra, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone with who is little bit wild, but someone you totally want to be with. And you also like this nature about your partner, who can just throw everything away and just walk with you or go wherever you want them to join you or do things. It's also possible, Libra, a lot of times you want to do things out of, you just thought about it and you want to get started or see things how they will shape up. Looks like your partner totally supports you and is as wild to join you into your new adventures or something that you want to do. So you like that energy where he or she is not holding back and is willing to try new things with you. So this could be a very big reason for a very deep connect between the two of you. So how does your partner see you? I see he or she sees you as somebody happily ever after with. So your partner is very convinced that this is the love relationship which is going to last, till you get old, or is going to be happily ever after forever. So your partner loves this connection, and it is also something your partner is wishing for, that they truly wish if this relationship can work out and deepen and go this way. So your partner is, and you are this very emotional and sensitive, loving, warm person, and I'm seeing so many cups here that your partner is seeing. So he or she understands you very well, Libra. Your partner totally sees you as the person you are, and totally believes in the love that they are feeling. So great connection here. What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? About the future, you are convinced that you have figured the reason why your partner is in love with you. So to you, nothing is a secret or a mystery in this relationship. You believe that you have figured your partner out, and you're right, because you truly have. And that's how you are very convinced about the future together. So there's very little for you to discover here about your partner. Your partner feels that sometimes you don't put in as much effort to get them around or make, agree to what they want to do. So it's just a very small energy, but your partner wants to be pampered or be spoiled emotionally. But the way I'm seeing is the cards, you already, Libra is doing a lot. As a partner, you want to be throwing around some tantrums, and you want Libra to be coming around trying to make things cordial or work. So it's just something you feel that your partner, as a partner, that Libra should put in little bit more effort in trying to convince you or win you over emotionally. So it doesn't look like much of a problem here, really. What is the past you're coming from, Libra, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You've dealt with a lot of worries in the past, Libra. You have had a lot of sleepless nights because you don't like fights, and you definitely don't like to be blamed for things. So you have spent a lot of time worrying, crying, being sad about not being able to control a certain relationship. So maybe in the past things did not work out as well for you. About the past, this guidance is telling me, while I'm seeing such different cards for your partner, I see this very huge emotional angel that your partner is, and that is the reason how the two of you are connecting. While you have so much to give emotionally, Libra, your partner is an absolute angel. He or she will not just give, and is also is almost your mate or is almost your equal in this relationship. If you see, here the king's feet is dipped in water, and here the angel's feet is also dipped in water, and you are holding a cup while the partner here is balancing the emotions. So you both are very very similar, and your partner is getting called as a angel who you fell in love with, and you are someone who will meet your partner more than half the way with all the love that you have to offer. Very beautiful guidance of two very matured people getting along, or together in love. So let us see how's overall the guidance for the reading. Oh, this is a relationship which is going to work out. There's a lot of soft strength and a lot of willingness to work every situation that comes up, with how, no matter how difficult, the two of you want to make it work. So because the commitment is so strong and you both are so capable, nothing is going to be too difficult for this relationship to progress. So a very winning, rewarding relationship the two of you are in.